Good day children. Welcome back to class 4 EVS session. Happy to meet you all with yet another interesting lesson. Do you know which is the hardest substance in our body? Harder than our bones. Yes, the correct answer is tooth. The main function of our teeth is to cut and crush the food that we eat. We all know that we have 32 teeth in our mouth, but we do not have them when we are born. Then, when does the teeth formation begin? How many teeth do children have? What are the types of teeth? What is the role of tooth in digestion? All these and many more questions shall be looked into this chapter. Digestion and the role of microbes. Teeth are present inside our mouth. Teeth form a very important part of our mouth. They help us to chew our food. They help us to speak clearly. Also, they give shape to our face. When you were born, you had no teeth. You drank milk and ate soft, semi-solid food, isn't it? You probably cut your first tooth when you were about 6 to 8 months old. And by the age of 3, you had nearly 20 teeth. The first set of teeth in the mouth is called milk teeth or temporary teeth. 10 in each jaw equals to 20. By the age of 6 years, the milk teeth start falling off and begin to get replaced by permanent teeth. These teeth are slightly bigger in size and remain permanent throughout the life of the person. Hence, it is important to take good care of teeth. Once broken or damaged, they are not replaced naturally by the body. This is the reason why we see old people without teeth, as teeth start falling off with age. Even the shape of our face changes as the teeth begin to disappear. I repeat, the first set of teeth in children that fall off later is called temporary teeth, milk teeth, or baby teeth. And the second set of teeth that arises later and remains permanent is called the permanent teeth. Temporary teeth are 20 in number and permanent teeth are 32 in number. Permanent teeth are of 4 kinds depending on their functions. First one is the incisors. The front 4 teeth in each jaw, 8 in all together, are called incisors. They help to bite and cut the food. Incisors are chisel shaped. Incisors are marked in green for easy identification. The teeth which are marked blue are called canines. There are 2 canines in each jaw, so 4 in all. They develop next to the incisors. They are sharp and pointed and are used to tear the flesh. The teeth which are marked in yellow are called premolars. There are 4 premolars in each jaw, 8 in all, next to the canine. They are used to crush and chew the food. The teeth which are marked blue are called molars. There are 6 molars in each jaw, 12 in all, next to premolars. They are used to grind the food. Now, can you identify the types of teeth colored in different colors? Yes, the one colored in green are called incisors. The one in light blue are called canines. The one in yellow are premolars and one in dark blue are called the molars. To sum up, there are 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars and 12 molars, which sum up to the 32 permanent teeth. The incisors are used for cutting the food and canines for tearing, premolars for crushing and molars for grinding the food. Herbivores have well-developed premolars and molars because they need to chew and grind their food a lot, whereas The carnivores or flesh-eating animals have sharp canines to kill and tear the flesh of other animals. What does a tooth look like? A tooth has a crown and a root. The crown is the part we see, whereas the root is the part inside the gums. Gums hold the teeth in their place. Parts of a tooth. The white part on the outside of the tooth is called the enamel. It is the hardest substance in the human body. Below the enamel lies the hard dentine. Inside the dentine lies the pulp. It is very soft and full of nerves and blood vessels. The pulp forms the central part of a tooth. What are the functions of the different parts of the tooth? The enamel protects the tooth from wear and tear. The dentine forms the bulk of the tooth and can be sensitive too. Whereas the pulp, which contains the blood vessels that brings the nutrients to the tooth. Let's continue with the types of teeth and their function in our next video. Till then, bye children.